Hello Crafty Llamas. In this video I will be showing you the Symphony Wood interchangeable Afghan and Tunisian crochet hook set. So this set comes in a little plastic pouch. I'll open this up for you. And so it comes with a total of 8 crochet hooks in a variety of sizes, starting in 3.5mm up to 8mm, so it's got a really good range. Obviously with Tunisian crochet you do tend to use the larger sized hooks more than you would the smaller hooks, so this is actually a really good range. And you also get a little pamphlet explaining how to attach your crochet hooks and cables from KnitPro. So this is really handy if you haven't used interchangeable needles or hooks before. And then here we have the little pouch. So in here you also have a variety of cables. So you have a total of 4 cables, all of which are colour coded. So the small neon green here is your 60cm cable. You have 2 of your 80cm cables, which are your orange ones here, and then you have 1 of your 100cm cables in red. So you get a total of 4 interchangeable cables, along with 4 sets of cable caps and cable keys, which allow you to just pop one of these on the end when you're doing Tunisian crochet, stops it falling off the end of your cable, and the keys can be used to tighten your cable to your hooks. You also get 1 set of your cable connectors, which allow you to connect 2 cables to make 1 longer cable for the larger projects such as blankets or kind of if you're doing jumpers in the round and things like that. And once again you get another cable key with those. So you get 2 of the cable connectors in there. So let's have a look at the hooks. So if I get this one out for you, this is the 3.5mm crochet hook from KnitPro. This is your Symphony design, which has got the classic chevron mark along it. And then here you've got your little connection. So for example here, we grab a cable. It simply twists on like so. That, and then when you're tightening, just be sure to use both metal parts so you're not weakening the connection between the hook and the connector. And then you can use your cable key to tighten that connection if you want as well, to make sure that your hook doesn't unscrew mid-project. There's just a little hole, I don't know if you can see that on camera, I'll try and bring it up for you. Little hole just there that you can see, that you pop the key into, and then you can just get that tighter connection with your crochet hook, and then your end cap just screws onto the other end of your cable, like so. Obviously, now I've tightened that with the key, I need to untighten it with the key as well. There we go. So these hooks, they're really smooth, really light. They've got a lovely wooden design, and yet feel nice and sturdy when you're using them. I absolutely love the colour and the actual kind of wooden chevron pattern that they come with. Really pretty, which obviously is a nice bonus. And you have a great range of sizes. So this is your largest, this is your 8mm. They have a really nice tapered edge right at the tip. It's quite a pointy edge, which is nice for Tunisian crochet because it really allows you just to get in that stitch properly when you're picking up, which I really like. Some of them can have quite a rounded tip, which doesn't help much when you're trying to pick up your stitches, so I really like these for those tapered points. And obviously these are also completely compatible with all KnitPro cables, so no matter what KnitPro set you have, you'll know that your cables will work with your kind of interchangeable hooks. So even if you want to go for individual hooks, you can use any KnitPro cable, you don't have to get specific ones. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by commenting below and liking it. We do have weekly videos, so please subscribe to my channel and you'll never miss an update. Our social media handle is Crafty Llama UK, so you can find us on various platforms using that. If you do buy anything from me or make anything using one of the yarns, I love to see what you're doing, so please do tag me in your posts. And of course you can purchase this set that I've shown you today from my Etsy shop, which I will be linking below. So that's it for this week's video, but we'll be back with you for another next week. Bye!